FU money is a term I see thrown around way too often, and it's kind of rude. But how can you make so much money that you can do anything you want as a teen? Well, lucky for you, I'm going to give you 3 fire side hustle/business models you can start grinding that will give any of you the opportunity to make some insane money this year and beyond. Have you ever had some food left over and decided to throw it all in a pot and make a delicious soup? That's what Josh does, but with video content. The idea came to him while he was at VidSummit, a conference buzzing with influencers and creators. As he listened to various speakers, a light bulb went off in his head. Josh realized he didn't need to create his own content. He could take existing videos and remix them for YouTubers who wanted to post short-form content. Josh started by taking long-form podcasts and YouTube videos and turning them into TikTok and Instagram-friendly clips. This approach gave his clients the ability to reach much wider audiences without producing any new content themselves. It's called content redistribution, like recycling but in the digital age. It doesn't take too much time, but big creators don't want the hassle of editing everything themselves. Josh's idea was a hit. Soon he had more clients than he could handle alone, so he hired team members to help with the workload. This allowed him to serve more clients and increase his income significantly. Josh's business grew rapidly, and he became a master of content redistribution, making FU money by helping creators maximize their content's potential. Enough about Josh. How can you get started with this side hustle? Well, it's way easier now than back then, with the help of artificial intelligence. You can start by signing up for a free account with Opus Clip AI, linked in my description below, which essentially is a tool that takes longer videos and chop it up into shorter clips in minutes that's well edited. And whenever the videos are finished, you just download them and deliver them to your clients, and then get paid for it. You can use a freelancer site like Fiverr.com to sell services like this for absolutely free. Imagine you're a storyteller with a captivating tale that everyone needs to hear. But there's a challenge. Telling that story over and over to different people can get exhausting, and the magic might fade with each retelling. What if, instead, you could write that story down in a way that everyone who reads it feels the same excitement, the same inspiration, as if you're telling it to them personally? This is the magic of copywriting, which is the next side hustle. It's like crafting a story so compelling that it speaks directly to each reader, no matter when or where they encounter it. Your words become a bridge between your client's ideas and their audience, guiding them to take action, whether that's buying a product, subscribing to a service, or simply connecting with their message. And just like a beautifully told story, your copy lives on, ready to be experienced by anyone, anytime, without losing impact. To be honest, some writers make as little as $700 a year, but if you get it right, you could make thousands, if not millions. I know that's a huge difference, but just hear me out for a sec. Most writers are missing one crucial element to making this side hustle actually work. Here's the thing. Most writers are artistically driven, but not business-minded. They want to write the next Lord of the Rings. This means they aren't actually writing what's in demand. So no, I don't suggest you become a traditional writer. Instead, you need to publish where the readers are, and these readers are online. You could write emails for businesses, copies for sales pages, online articles, or even scripts for TikToks and YouTube videos. And the greatest part, you could work from literally anywhere in the world. I know some people who are living in Bali, Indonesia at the moment, and are living like kings and queens, just by doing their work in the mornings and evenings, and enjoying the nightlife at night times. And if your writing is super valuable, you could even ask for a percentage of each sale which you contribute towards. This will not be easy though, because writing requires a lot of brain juice and focus. But once you're in the flow or mindset to write, you could get a lot done in a short time period. Even just writing this script took me weeks to complete, because I had other businesses I was focusing on, so I barely had time, and I was making 10 times more with these businesses. However, being that my ex-girl recently left me for dead in the most disrespectful way there is, that's all the focus that I need to start writing these scripts rapidly. So be on the lookout for a new video every week, because the grind has just begun. Anyways, you can list your copywriting services on a website like Fiverr.com for absolutely free. And whenever you start to get regular clients coming through the door and more reviews, you can even build out your own website and collect 100% of the profit, instead of allowing these platforms to take 20 to 30% of your profit. And that does tend to add up quickly over time. And the goal isn't to make other persons rich off your hard work. A link to Fiverr.com would be down below in the description of this this video. Have you ever had some knowledge stored up in your brain and you're just dying to share it with others? But the thing is, by sharing it with others, in most cases, that means you would have to be explaining yourself over and over again. And sometimes this may get super annoying. Now picture this, you're a wizard, and you've just created a spell book. But instead of writing it on paper, you store it in a cloud where anyone in the world can download it instantly. That spell book is called a digital product. It could be an ebook, a PDF guide, a digital planner, a song, a video, a course, or even a game. Digital products are like treasures you can share with the world without needing a physical shop. They live on the internet, and people can get them with just a click. So whenever someone needs a new tool, a fun game, or even some advice, they can find it online. Here's how to find the right digital product for you. First, understand that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone watching this video is different in some way, so the product you choose should match your personality and skills. Start by grabbing a notebook or opening a note-taking app on your phone. Make a list of the following: what you do in your spare time, the skills you have, and what interests you. This list doesn't need to be long, so don't overthink it. Just jot down these key points, then take some time to review and consider what kind of digital product you could create. For example, if you're a single dad, you might create a PDF offering parenting tips based on your experience. You can sell this guide to other single dads. If you're good at cooking, consider creating a recipe book with your favorite meals and sell it to those with similar tastes. Or if you have in-depth knowledge about a particular subject, you could create an online course to teach others what you know, using videos or voiceovers. The possibilities are endless. Just compare your list with the types of digital products I've mentioned and choose one to sell online. Keep in mind that some digital products are more profitable than others. For instance, online courses tend to earn more than recipe books. So consider this when deciding which product to create. You can list your digital products for sale on either Etsy.com or Gumroad.com. And you can sign up for a Skillshare account down below to watch a few well put together courses on how to get started with this more in depth. If you're a person that's just confused by watching all these make money videos and don't know where to start as it relates to making money online, click the link below to book a one-on-one discovery call with me, and I'll provide you with a personalized roadmap so that you can start to make money online within the next 30 days, based on what you're actually interested in as an individual.